Okay, so this wig is a 6-inch deep part lace wig, and this is by the Janet collection, and it is heat resistant, safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can tell, it's like the lace is see-through, and it is so beautiful because it has a beautiful rainbow detail, and it's just gorgeous. So I'm going to be slaying this wig today. Not be scared, just cut. Kind of like you in kindergarten. You just cut it and don't care. And I'm just cutting it in little zigzaggy motions, so it's not like a complete straight line across my forehead. As you guys can tell, I'm like really just cutting, y'all. I ain't scared. When you scared, you're gonna be like, oh my god, I don't want to cut off too much, I don't want to cut off too little, and then not end up cutting enough and then have a whole bunch of lace on your head. So just don't be scared. Like, look at this. Start it back. And voila. Let's see. This wig has one clip in the back, so I'm gonna actually put the clip on. That's in the back. OMG, this wig is so fire. Oh my goodness. Okay, so at this point, we've already removed the scarf and we're left with a bunch of white crustiness. Now this is what happens in the real world. So I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol now on a little cotton ball, and I'm just gonna go around the perimeter of the wig. I'm literally pretty much just trying to get rid of any white that is on my skin, not necessarily on the cap. You're trying to avoid getting that to lift, you know, you want that to be stuck, you know, but the white on your skin you want to get rid of with some alcohol without getting too close to the lace, as you can see. So I want to get rid of it. So at this point, I'm going to gently brush this going backwards. So you kind of want to very gently . This got to be on play, so wherever you have it placed or how you have it set in the hair is how it's gonna stay. This will look so, look at this you guys. This will look so cute in a little half up situation. Like look at that. Anyway, as you can see. You guys can tell this wig is just so beautiful. And as you can see, that method of me taking the Got2b and spraying it in the roots and like having that lift, it just kind of creates this volume in the hair that you just don't get by itself. Okay, now as far as baby hair, the only baby hair that I'm going to do is just a little bit in the front. I'm just going to take my little comb brush situation and kind of comb out like a few strands in the front, as you guys can see. I'm gonna snip these fairly short, going this direction. And I'm gonna snip these going gonna go in with a little bit of this olive oil edge control stick. This is super convenient. I'm just gonna take, actually I'm gonna use my finger for this because I don't want too much of this product. I'm just gonna very lightly put some on those strands that I just cut. Right there, just like that. And I'm literally going to put my finger down and swoop. My finger down and swoop. And if you wanted to create more, you could just continue the same steps of cutting strands and doing the same method all around the perimeter if you would like. But I'm just going to keep this super simple, super cute. I'm going to take a little bit of the Gots to Be spray. I'm going to spray it on my finger. And I'm going to go right over that. Let that set for another couple minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this nice, beautiful installation of this pretty wig. And don't forget to check out Jen's Beauty Supply, located here in Golden Gate City. They also have another location located on 41. I will have both addresses in the description box below, so you feel free to check them out if you're interested in any of these wigs that I feature on my channel. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.